Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to sign up for a Kraken account. Signing up for Kraken is straightforward. First of all, open up your Kraken application on your mobile device, or if you are using a web browser, you can visit kraken.com in it. Either way, once you're in the home page, look for the Create Account button and tap on it. On the next page, enter an email address you'd like to use to sign up for and click on the Continue button. If you've got an invitation code, you can add it by tapping on Add Invite Code and entering the code and tap Continue. On the next page, it'll ask you to create a password. Enter a strong and unique password and then tap on Continue at the bottom. On the next page, select your country of residence, and on the next page, you will need to confirm your email address. Open up your email inbox and then paste in the code sent to you inside the email. And after you do that, you will be able to sign up for a new account. So that is how you can easily sign up for Kraken. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.